here's how to request a refund for Roblox items and get your Robux back. Open your web browser and go to the Roblox website, then sign in to your account. Click the settings icon and select Help and Safety. Next, open Violations and Appeals, then choose Support. Fill out the support form with your username, first name, and email address. Make sure you enter your actual Roblox username, not your display name. Select the device you normally use to play Roblox. Under the Help category, choose Purchases using Robux. Then select the appropriate subcategory. Choose Website item if you purchase an avatar item like clothing or accessories, or choose Inexperience item if you're requesting a refund for something like a Game Pass or in-game purchase. In the description box, clearly state the exact name of the item, the amount of Robux you spent, and that you're requesting a refund. After completing the form, click Continue and complete any verification if prompted. You may also be asked a few follow-up questions through the support chat. That's all for this video. Thanks.